熊猫，
熊猫。
I'm a panda, 熊猫, the national treasure of China. I like to be alone just like a drifter. Bamboo is my favorite food. Our family has lived on the earth for more than 8 million years. At first, we lived on meat. Later, we ran out of food with the tremendous change of the temperature on the earth. We survived on bamboo. Now, 熊猫 are one of the most endangered species. We are regarded as beasts for peace because we feed on bamboo instead of other animals. Truce was agreed whenever the flags printed with images of 熊猫 were raised 1,700 years ago. These flags represent peace and friendship, and both sides of the war would stop fighting. Now we are known far and wide, and we are often sent abroad as gifts. We have even been chosen as the mascot of the World Wildlife Foundation. There are only around 1,000 熊猫remaining in our family all over the world. We hope that people will offer more protection for animals.
熊猫，
熊猫。